morning to another beautiful cloudy day. I was planning to go following my little planner here today and supposed to be working on my laundry since 9 in the morning, but I really spend my time doing videos. I'm so behind, and I was reading my book and I have a cup of coffee. Now instead of go first to the laundry, I will vacuum. See all these? This is my dog. It's like having kids. So let me pick all the toys and vacuum my room and the house. Finish all my floors. They are also shiny. Nice. So now I will eat something. My husband got me this. Since today I can have veggies. I have the grape leaves with a little of rice. I know. So we will see how good it is. And I still haven't coffee, but my belly was asking for food. I haven't eaten anything, and I'm watching Bib Moms. I hope I say it right. I will put the link. She's amazing. She can do any sewing thing in a day. Okay, let's eat. So this is almost done here in my laundry, and I decided to bring these fabrics to wash because maybe I will do a test of what I want to do with this one. It's not too much, but it can help me to see. Maybe I don't have a lot. We will see. But I will wash this. I have to wash this, and I have to wash this. I like to disinfect this area because I fold my clothes here, and being in the basement I have problems with rat before. Right now we are good, but I don't want any critter or anything on my clothes, so I use a disinfecting wipe, and in that way I can fold everything. another wonderful day off that goes way too quick. How is going here? I'm watching the old series Murder She Wrote and Prime. I love the old series, and that is one of my favorites. Here with my crochet, but I think I have enough to finish that line. Oops, don't make a mess, don't make a mess. Okay, we are, oh, let me fix this before I make a mess. So this is the only thing that I hate about dark colors. Oh, when it's dark. Okay, I'm here, and I think I have enough to finish that line. And then I go with this. Black is almost gone too. I know it's hard to see, but it's in the last part. So, and the blue one is not so far away too, but I already went to Amazon and request brown and blue. Now I need to request the black. I thought that I had more. So also I finished all the laundry. Well, I have one more. I have a lot here. So I need to iron all these, and these are the fabrics. This one shrinks so much, so we will see. So let's iron while we watch more of Jessica Fletcher. Believe it or not, I was already in bed reading my book, but I finished. Now I need a new book.